This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Roger Remington. Escape the hustle and bustle. Check out this true log cabin with end-of-the-road privacy. This 2-bedroom/1-bath is being sold furnished. Great room, Westwood burning fireplace which currently has gas logs installed, wide plank floors and soaring cathedral ceiling. Fully equipped kitchen with solid surface countertops. 2 gated decks, full-length screen porch, hot tub on lower deck and outdoor fire pit. Note: second bedroom is loft with 2 queen beds. Conveniently located between Ellijay and Blue Ridge in the Riverbend area. Short walk to enjoy the river and creek. This is the perfect mountain getaway. It will also make a good weekend rental. Hurry, this one won't last long. For more information